You can't even judge anyone. You will be forgiving each other, leaving the past away. If you look those people, it's just having that clean mind in you.
Amen.
You will be accepted.
O kere fie rovo, kere fie la koi susu e pe. Ela. O le vere fai ka kolo. Fa ko uma ko nga semina, o le o onga marea o onga.
We try our best to present many seminars as we can. Memorizing the books of the Bible, starting from Genesis to Revelation. But if your heart is still hating, carrying that hatred, there's going to be no more change at all. Stop judging each other. Allow sometimes to have the peace of God in you. Have you seen a person sitting as a quiet? But if you're sitting beside, it's just feeling the current of the sea flowing. You can't even hide. Why can't you sit and sit quietly? And receiving the shalom of God. And then the blessing will come. The abundance will also come. Shalom in our culture is just sitting quietly, doing nothing. But shalom in Hebrew, you feel that peace, lying peacefully. The fridge is also the money in the bank. No one is just stopping from outside to kick you out. So God will heal that peace in you.